If you're still painting your walls millennial gray or sticking to stark cold minimalism, I have some news. 2026 is officially the year we stop designing for the screen and start designing for the senses. Today, we're breaking down the most catching trends that are going to define our homes this year. We're talking about the Grandma Chic revival, the return of dark, moody woods, and a surprising new metal that is officially replacing brass. But there is one specific trend that is polarizing the design world right now. It's a technology meets nature hybrid that I honestly thought was impossible until I saw it in person. Stick around until the end, because if you're planning a renovation, you need to see the Living Walls 2.0 before you buy your next piece of art. First up, minimalism isn't dead. It's just growing up. In 2026, we're moving toward curated calm. This isn't about empty rooms. It's about rooms that feel quiet but layered. Think mushroom beige, sandstone, and universal khaki. It's about tactile materials, nubby boucle, fumed oak, and hand-thrown ceramics. The goal? A home that feels like a sanctuary, not a showroom. For years, light Scandi oak was king. But the spectrum is shifting. Rich, dark walnut and espresso tones are back, bringing a sense of history and weight to our spaces. And here's the kicker. Brass is out, chrome is in. We're seeing a neo-deco revival where sleek, cool-toned silver and chrome accents are providing a sharp, modern contrast to those deep, dark woods. Next, let's talk about nostalgia. People are tired of homes that look like everyone else's. This has birthed the Grandma Chic trend, skirted sofas, decorative piping, and floral wallpapers. But it's not cluttered. It's curated. It's about digital antiquing, finding that one perfect vintage Murano glass bowl or a thrifted oil painting that tells a story. Your home should look like you, not a catalog. If you're feeling bold, 2026 is your year. Color drenching. Painting your walls, trim, and even the ceiling in one single saturated hue is the biggest mood setter of the year. The color to watch? Transformative teal. It's a deep blue-green that represents resilience. It's atmospheric, grounded, and looks incredible under warm lamp lighting. And now, the trend I promised you at the beginning. We've all seen planned walls, but 2026 has introduced AI-powered indoor gardens. Imagine a sleek wall panel no bigger than a bookshelf that doesn't just grow plants. It uses AI-timed LEDs and hydroponic tubes to grow your own microgreens and herbs, all while doubling as a living, glowing art piece. It even syncs with your circadian rhythm to change the light temperature throughout the day. It's the ultimate bridge between the digital world we live in and the nature we crave. 2026 is clearly about finding the balance between high-tech and high-touch. Which of these trends are you actually brave enough to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and find your own place on the style spectrum, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm Style Spectrum Designer, and I'll see you in the next design breakdown.